My name is Hirsch and I'm here with this month's Zride bike check. It consists of Mosh and Odyssey parts. My sprocket is a Mosh digital sprocket, 36 tooth. I like it small and compact. It's got a few holes cut out of it to keep it a little light, and a nice, strong, and aesthetically pleasing design. My cranks are the Odyssey 41 thermal cranks. They're 41 thermal, which is Odyssey's tricky invention to keep things a little lighter. And they have a hollow spindle. I run 180 length, and that's about it. Nice, light, and strong. The pedals that I run are the Odyssey twisted pedals. They're nice, light, good-looking design. I like to run a lot of pins in them to keep my feet stuck to them, and I like to keep them sealed so that they don't spin too fast. I run the KMC Cool Chain here. It's got the strange little Pac-Man shaped cuts in it for, I guess, for grinding on. And it's, I don't know, seems the only chain that doesn't break that I run. So, stick with what works. The seat that I run is the Mosh mini seat. It's small, compact, stays out of the way. And it's got a little bit of contour to it, so you can get your bar spin action in, and it's pretty light too. Keep the pounds off. My bars are the Odyssey Civilian bars. They're nice and low, and they're also made of that 41 thermal metal that I was talking about before. Real light and a little bit of sweep. The Mosh digital stem. It's short and compact. I like to run it inverted, and it's got a hole cut through the center here to keep it light, and no extra weight on all the edges, cut down everywhere it needs to be. Forks are the Odyssey race forks. They're the lightest forks out, and people get a little worried by their thin tubing and thin dropout areas, but I peg it up and I haven't had any problems, so I don't know, I love them. The pegs that I run are the Odyssey titanium pegs, and you can see they're fluted, so they're different thicknesses, which is nice. Keeps them light. They actually don't weigh anything, so I decided to run 2 of them so I could do different maneuvers, doing the X-ups and grinding and doing a little bit of the crooked grinding. So 2 pegs is necessary in the front. My wheel set is the Odyssey Pro wheel set. I've got the cassette hub back here with the 13 tooth driver on it. I'm actually switching to an 11, but 36 spokes front and back. Odyssey Hazard rims, the best and lightest rims, with Odyssey Earth Science tires front and back, because they're the best too. They grip very well. I can ride on walls and roofs and whatever else I need to with these products. This is my bike.